life as one of Ignite's VP Communications. So, hi everyone, my name is Gwen and I work at Ignite's headquarters. I start my day off by going to the gym. Tuesdays are usually my pretty chill days, so I don't really have many lectures or labs to go to, so I get to kind of procrastinate a little bit more. Other than that, I shower, eat breakfast, and get ready for the day. I'm in my second year of Chem Bio at McMaster University, so I do live in Hamilton, and here I was just leaving my apartment to head to campus. Then I was just catching a bus here. I was walking to go study to the library with my friends. Then I had a tutorial to go to, and I had a midterm that day. Here I'm just going to our Chem Bio lounge to work on some practical work, getting some notes done, and just catching up on some additional work I can get done. What's really cool about Ignite is that we're all university students, so we tend to spend most of my days doing that, and then at night we do our Ignite side of things. So here I was heading back to my side of Hamilton, and I decided to go grocery shopping. As you can see, that I headed home to work on my Ignite side of things. My first meeting was with Danny's side of the team, and then my second meeting was with Bianca's side of the team. As the other half of VP Comms, I usually worked on larger document translations as well as French recruitment. Side note, the conference is happening soon, so stay tuned for more information on that so you can sign up and go. Thank you on joining me for a day in my life. If you guys have any questions about Mac or Chem Bio or working at Ignite or French, feel free to hit me up. But other than that, bye guys.